I had a great experience doing, and it was a very fun. It was very fun doing with my friends, and they also had a great experience. And of course, this is an abstract. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you're good at, and you can show your talents. And then yeah, it will be displayed in the exhibition.
Art is something which comes within yourself. I feel really proud doing this, and I really had a good experience.
This is a very good experience, and I would like to say that I really enjoyed making this picture, and this is my first time making. Actually, this is my first I had made it.
Hello, today there was a canvas art competition in my school. It was really fun. We all made it together. Even though it's not the best, we enjoyed it, and this gives a new experience to our life, and we look forward to such events.